Artist, it's Mrs. Allen, and I am here to present to you making a color wheel with any items around your house. That's right, get ready for some fun. Here is an example of a color wheel made from many household items, and they did collect a lot of items. The first thing I would like you guys to do is review the color wheel. And on your slides, you will have two places that you can click for more information. One, the color song. You click on that, it will take you to YouTube video of color theory, the fun one, and I would play it right now, but you guys would not hear the audio. You just can hear mine. So I can't play it for you right now. The second video for information is this one right here, color wheel. These two lovely individuals from PBS are going to review the primary, the secondary, and the tertiary colors with you. Now I do want to remind you that the tertiary colors are also called the intermediate colors. You will hear sometimes people call them the intermediate. It is the same thing, just like when we call purple violet or violet purple. It is the same thing, just different names. Or think about when you call Mrs. Allen Mrs. Awesome. Same thing. Mrs. Awesome means Mrs. Allen. Mrs. Allen means Mrs. Awesome. After you review the color wheel, then you are going to start to collect your items. What do you need? Any items around your house that are going to help you represent the colors on the color wheels. It could be food, it could be towels, it could be clothing, it could be toys or kitchen items. Anything that helps you represent those colors. After you have some of those items, it is now time to find a place to put your color wheel together. And I want you to start with the primary colors. Notice how these are lined up in a triangle formation. When you start with the primary colors, if you line them up in a triangle, it will help you to organize the rest of your color wheel. So we jump over to step 2. After you do the primary colors, you will add the secondary colors: green, orange, and violet. After you have added those items, then you are going to add those intermediate or tertiary, whatever you'd like to call them, colors in between. I want to remind you that the tertiary colors are the colors that have two words in their name: yellow orange, yellow green, blue violet, red orange, yellow orange, and back to yellow green. My little quiet buddy right there. Okay? Once you have completed your color wheel, I want you to attach a photo in Seesaw if you're first or kindergarten, or in Google Classroom if you're second grade. This is the same way we have been doing it so far since we've been doing remote learning. Now I also want to give you guys a challenge. If you would like an additional challenge, this is optional. You have two choices here, and I want to remind you to use whatever supplies you have available at home. Both these pictures are active links to take you to step-by-step directions in both these projects. Okay? You can also send me a picture of those. If you have any problems with attaching your photos or multiple photos, please have your parents send me an email with questions. I hope you have an amazing time collecting your items for this color wheel. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. Good luck and have fun. Until next time, this is Mrs. Allen saying, that's all, folks.